What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to be documenting my very first experience selling on Amazon FBA as a complete beginner with no prior experience. In all honesty guys, I don't really have a lot of knowledge when it comes to Amazon FBA, so for that reason, I am going to be bringing along with me an Amazon FBA expert who makes very good money reselling on Amazon, and his name is Maxwell. My guy Carter runs an Amazon FBA related YouTube channel, and in the last 12 months, he has made well over $300,000 in sales selling on Amazon. So with that being said, today we are going to be hitting up a bunch of different thrift stores to find used books, electronics, or essentially anything we can buy to resell on Amazon for a profit. With that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and head over to Carter's hotel right now to pick him up and start this day-long adventure. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with Carter Maxwell. Today we're going to be hitting up a bunch of different thrift stores. What do we have to hit up?
Yeah, so we got about 9 thrift stores mapped out that we want to hit, and we're just going to try to go to as many as we can.
Yeah, I think we're going to be going mostly for books and then also some other products if we can find some good stuff, and we'll let you guys know as soon as we're at the first location. As you guys can see behind me, we just pulled up to our first location of the day, aka a Goodwill. We're pretty much just going to be going in, scanning as many books as we possibly can. I'm going to be scanning through the Amazon seller app, and Carter, on the other hand, is going to be using a little Bluetooth scanner here. Yeah, and hopefully we can find some good stuff. As soon as Carter and I walked over to our first Goodwill location, we went straight over to the electronics section, and we found not one, but 2 great items. All right, guys, so we're in Goodwill right now, and Carter just found a sealed box of a Pasonic DVD player. It's selling for $5 inside of Goodwill, and as you guys can see on the Amazon seller app, it's going for about $60 after fees, so that's a really good profit right there. On top of this sealed DVD player we found right here, we also found this used one. What's it going for on Amazon?
Yeah, so the lowest FBA offer right now, used conditions, going for around $120. So with our buy cost of $5, it's going to leave us with a really nice profit.
After securing an easy bag inside the electronics section of Goodwill, we went over and started scanning a bunch of different books inside the store, and after about 15 minutes of searching, we found one profitable book to resell, and after that, we went over to the checkout section of the first Goodwill location to secure an easy profit on the items we bought. We just left our first Goodwill store, and we picked up some pretty good stuff. We got 2 electronics, then this book right here. What are we looking at, Carter, in terms of sales value and profit?
So sales value is probably looking around $190 to $200. Profit after shipping and fees and everything, probably looking around, I'll probably say $75 to $85 profit.
Following our very successful haul at the first Goodwill location Carter and I visited, our reselling adventure truly began, as over the next several hours, we visited multiple more thrift store locations with great success. After grinding hard for several hours nonstop with Carter, we found over 10 profitable books to resell, with the best item we found being a 7-book set of textbooks that was selling for $69 used on Amazon. That means after all Amazon fees, shipping costs, and even the $5 product cost, that leaves us with $52.04 profit on this one item alone. This book should also sell pretty quickly since it has a sales rank of 116,000 on Amazon, which is absolutely insane for the books category. Literally anything under 1 million sales rank is a definite buy, so that tells you how good this sales rank is. Also on this product, Carter and I ended up negotiating the price down from $6.99 to $4.99 to secure some extra profit, because why not?
Was this the one for $6.99?
Yeah, so I'm going to end up reading one of the books in there. I was wondering if I could get like a discount maybe.
Yeah, we can go to $4.99, is that fine?
That works.
So a little update, we've been driving and thrifting for about 3 hours at this point, and we've gotten some pretty good items, probably around like, what, $200 profit or so?
Yeah, we've picked up quite a few electronics earlier, and then we picked up a nice book set that'll go for around 75 FBA on Amazon, great sales rank, so overall, doing really well.
Yeah, so now we're just gonna get some food, cut into our profits a little bit, and then we're gonna keep on thrifting and hopefully make a lot more money. Alright guys, so Carter and I just got done with our break. We're back on the Goodwill grind, and well, there's a little back room. It says employees only beyond this point. Should I go in?
Up to you.
I'm gonna sneak in here. My bad. Throughout my first day trying Amazon FBA, I learned so much new stuff about the business model, especially that when you're going thrifting, patience is key. In some stores we went into, we would find so many different profitable electronics and profitable books to resell, whereas in other stores we went into, we left absolutely 100% empty-handed. To finish off Carter and I's long day of Amazon FBA reselling, we took a quick trip to Walmart to get some boxes and shipping supplies to ship out all of the items we bought to an Amazon fulfillment center. We just pulled up to Walmart to grab some shipping supplies, and we ended up going with one large cardboard box and then 3 smaller boxes for all of the books and then some of the other products that we're going to ship out FBA. We got some bubble wrap and then we got some rolls of tape also. So we're going to update you guys on what the total cost of all of this is, and yeah, we're pretty much set to go shipping wise. It is now day 2 of this challenge after a massive haul yesterday, and as you guys can see, we got a lot of products from the thrift stores. So guys, the first step to shipping all of these products to Amazon is to use these labels right here. We have to stick these labels on every single one of these products, and then we're gonna go ahead and put them in the boxes and ship them out to Amazon. After packaging and shipping out all of the items we bought to resell in my very first day on Amazon FBA, we secured a total revenue of $492 or $340.20 in profit in my very first day trying out this business model. Guys, after having this crazy success with Amazon FBA already, I'm definitely going to continue doing this business in future videos, so be on the lookout for that. Also, if you guys want to learn about Amazon FBA pretty much exactly how I have been learning about it, I will be sure to link my friend Carter Maxwell's Amazon FBA course down below in the description. It's been helping me a lot getting started with Amazon FBA, so I wanted to let you guys know about it, and I believe if you use my link down below in the description, you get like $50 off the course, which is always nice. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a like, and with that being said, I'll see you in the next one on Monday or Friday, depending on when this is posted. Peace out.